Awesome. Hey guys, so you finished most of the multi-leg setups. I just want to talk to you just for a quick moment about something I see so many new people get into. They start to trade options and they see all these, different setups, and there are like hundreds more of these like ridiculous setups. And I just want to just take a minute and say, please, do not like spend too much time looking all over the place for like all the setups in existence. I just saw this thing on CNBC. I don't watch news that much, but I saw this thing and it was this guy and he was talking about this thing called a collar setup. And basically a collar setup is you sell a call and you buy a put, and it kind of like limits your upside and limits your downside. And it was like a pretty, expensive, time consuming, and it was a lot of work. It was a lot of work. And what I'm all about is like that 80/20, right? I want to give you that 20% that's going to give you 80% of results. And there are just so many ways that people use options to kind of like replace traditional investing and just like making a trade to buy or sell. And this is a great example, like you can't decide to buy or sell, you're indecisive. Like that's a sign that you don't know what the heck is going on. And for so many people, the best way to know what's going on is to use technical analysis to figure out what to do with an investment, right? And so that's why what we're about to go into, applying technical analysis with options investing is all based around this idea that like you want to know exactly where the stock's going to go or where it's likely to go based on the setup. And to just kind of eradicate this idea of like all the nonsense that's out there, there's hundreds of these setups that are just total crap, and it's just like ways to replace buying or selling. And what the biggest thing I want to do in the next couple of modules is to get you away from trading blind. Now, trading blind is just such a big problem. And this is when you're looking at a chart with no indicators, no technical setups, no bottom of the chart things, no on the chart things, no moving. I mean, just nothing on the chart except for the price. And that is trading blind, and that seriously can mess you up. And it's where most people start, but it's really the worst place to be because you have no freaking clue what's going on. It's like walking into like a 3D movie theater, but you don't have your glasses on. It's like going skydiving without your goggles, scuba diving without your mask. I mean, these are the tools that let you see what's going on in the market. And so that's why I just think it's crazy that a lot of people don't trade with them. So we're going to go into the most critical ones. This is obviously all part two of 9 to noon. And that's really going to be the focus of this is applying options to part two of 9 to noon so you can make the most money possible and use the power of technical analysis to absolutely crush it. These two words, they've just changed my life, and I know they can do the same for you. So with that said, we're going to transition into it now. I'm really excited to get into like charts and drawing, and I'm going to find my blue marker. I'm going to see you in the next module, and we're going to start looking at support resistance. But I just wanted to cover this real quick because I remember there were so many people just talking about callers and all these setups that were just garbage. So hopefully now you understand that like you have control over what you're doing, and just keep having control by maintaining your ability to perform technical analysis by just kind of like doing it, learning it, and you're learning it right now, which is the first step. So that's super cool, and you're on your way to absolutely crushing it. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next module. Woo!